Why do I get myself into these situations? Ow! Oh. And you're going to the hospital. Jamba Juice. Okay, so I made this video, how many trucks until I can no longer kickflip, and one of you guys said, Aaron, do skateboards. Okay, I got a skateboard and a bunch of skateboards. I definitely don't think I'm going that many, but you know what? Let's see how many we can get. So we're gonna start with one single skateboard. One skateboard. Well, I'm glad I landed that. First try. That's one skateboard. Okay, I guess what we do then, I have this whole plethora of skateboards. I gotta find like a screw that's not that long. Because if the screw's too long, you see what happens is it goes through and stabs you on the foot if you land upside down. You want a skateboard that kind of matches the other one, you know what I mean? Oh, I know what I need to do to prevent the stab. Let's see if we can screw it right here. Oh, legendary, that worked really better than I thought. Okay, that's 2 skateboards. Derek, I'm already scared. We're only at 2 skateboards. Dang, I hate this. Why do I get myself into these situations? I'm doing a practice step. Let it be. Ah, bro, we're only at 2. Don't do that now. Aaron, okay, you got this. Let it rip. Free! Okay, let's go to 3. This is one of those ones that we did that's like extremely harsh grip tape. I'm definitely not rolling that guy. Definitely need one with grip tape. The question is, I guess we take out the screw and then put it back in and see if it's long enough. Yeah, should be fine. Trick to this is the least amount of weight possible. Oh, I guess you know what I could do is I could just place each one underneath. That way, it doesn't matter because I realize some of those don't have grip in there. Know what I'm saying? It's dangling, Derek. It's not a good sign, not a good sign. Just for safety, you know, we're gonna need a little longer screw. All right, this one's plenty long. Wow, that's definitely not coming out. Can we kickflip it though? I feel like, leave your best guess in the comments below. How many do you think I can do? I'm guessing 4. Okay, boy, I don't know if we got this. Do I get a practice try? I do, right? I also like that the board on the bottom is like extra sparkles. I'm going this way, get the sun out of my eyes. First try, kickflip, 3 decks. I have this fear that sets in and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Well, what's gonna happen? I'm gonna land primo like this and I'll just literally be standing primo because it's like so stable. There's nothing that could go wrong here, really. But once you're on there and you feel the weight underneath your feet, you're like, this is bad. This is really bad. Okay, land it, Aaron, land it. 3 decks. What? Houston, we got a problem. See what happened there? Oh, the screw broke. There we go. Cinched it down nicely. See that? Broke off in there. Okay, we're only at 3. Sounds waterlogged, right? Shouldn't be, it's not water in sight. 3 boards, first try, right here, let's go. Jamba Juice. Woo-wee! Taking it. This might be getting to my limit here, Derek. 4's getting a little scary. Let's see what we got here. I wanna get one that sort of matches the shape as good as possible. Okay, let's try this guy. Dang, we might be getting beyond the point where the screws are long enough. Yeah, okay, I think we'll have to add screws here. Okay. Good thing I'm such a good construction guy. Build your house, remember? 1, 2, 3, 4. Practice step, got to. I hate it when it's like, I want to give up and I know like, dude, it's dangerous, it's deadly. One wrong move and this hits your toe and you're going to the hospital. And then I do the practice step and it flips just fine and it's totally feasible. Like I can totally do it. You know what I mean? Okay, it's all mental. All mental, it's all in there. First try, let's go. Bro, you see that, Derek? What'd you say? You said I can't do it? You said I'm scared? I am scared, why am I scared? This is only 4. Derek, we need to go to at least 10. It's only 4, bro. Derek, it is literally perfect. It is spinning, I see it, my foot's there to catch, and then I just get out of there. This one's for you, Braille Army. For every person who doesn't think they can kickflip, let's get it. If I land this kickflip, so can you. Body! That's it. I gotta land this right here. I gotta do at least 5. I'm not getting out of here until I do at least 5. Woo-wee! I'm taking that. I will take that. This is like way harder than I thought it was gonna be. Every time I add a screw that adds weight and it gets more and more difficult. Fits very nice indeed. Why is it the more we stack, you hear how it gets like more like dull sounding? Like listen to that. It should be like pop, 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 snap, crackle, pop, and it's like thud, thud. I'm really scared of this one, I'm not gonna lie to you. It's terrifying. Dang. Well, let's check the primo ability. Oh yeah, you're solid. You could literally primo for days. Practice step. Ready? Dude. I got it, but I don't, but I do, but I don't. I literally cannot feel when the tail is hitting the ground. Cannot feel it popping. Bro. Derek, I got that. Don't I have that?
Yeah.
What? That's easy, right? It's right there. Oh, it's literally just driving me nuts. It's all in my head and I know it and I need to land it, but I can't. Come on, Aaron. I have the tiger. Boy. Okay, that's it right here. I'm landing this. No more tries. No more failed attempts. One land. How many boards are we at? 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Ow! Mother of a... That's exactly what I didn't want to have happen. Ah! Oh, these shoes are too thin for that. Why, that hurts so bad. Right on the top of my foot, the monster board just crushed like boom. But you know why that happened? Because I didn't commit. I should have left my foot up there. I could have landed that. Man, that hurts. We don't like that. Bruise Nation. I mean, I can't end on that. I gotta land it, right? I should have wore thicker shoes. You know what I should have done this in? I should have done this challenge in the Osiris D3s. Aaron, don't do that again. Land your feet on that board. I gotta fully commit. I gotta give it everything I got. Derek, I got this, right?
Yeah.
Don't I got it? Okay, that's it. Bro, why can't I make myself commit to that? Okay, there's nothing that's gonna happen that's gonna be as bad as what already happened, so I need to land on it. Practice step dialed in. All I need to do now is bend my back knee and land. Let's go. For everyone learning how to do a kickflip, this one's for you. Woo-wee! Let's go, we're out here. You guys got it too. Okay, do I even put on 6? I could not do 5. I don't know if I can do 6. Oh dang, we're getting 2. I need like really long screws now. Okay, these almost go through all the decks actually. Wow, Derek, get a close-up of that going in there. It's intense. I'm gonna lie, it's very doable. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're getting into danger zone. This is very dangerous. Do not try this at home. Oh my gosh, no, there's no way I can do that. Okay, hold on, I can do this. Believe in yourself. That's impossible. Okay, dang it. I was thinking I could get at least to 10, but I don't think I can get past this. 6, right? 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, I can't flick it. That's impossible. All right, Derek, I guess I'm gonna tap out there. I cannot imagine the same thing happened to me that happened on 5. If that hit my toe, I'd be completely crushed. I hope this inspired somebody out there to learn to ride a skateboard. I know you guys want to learn how to kickflip. You absolutely can. Don't give up. Keep pushing. You got this. Learn to skate yourself and then teach someone else. We got everything you need at brailleskateboarding.com.